Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert MOV video type file type into an MP4 video file type. Here I have my video that I want to download. Just click here, then press the MOV, select MOV. So I've already downloaded it. If I do this, it will show me that so it is here downloading. You have it downloading here. So I will cancel it. Then we go and double click and open up this software called Movavi Video Converter Premium, the latest version of 2021. So I already have the application open. It is here. We shall go to media, add video, and we look for our video we want to convert. It is this .mov file extension. You can see it here, MOV. We select this and open. It will load up in our software. Just be patient for a few minutes or seconds or so. Yes, now it has loaded in our software. So the next step is to come and select either MP4 HD 720 pixels, yes, or else you select this ordinary MP4. But let's go with the HD because we want our video in HD with high quality. So select here and then we press before we press convert, we have to select where we want our file to be. So I will go to select here, click there, then it will bring a dialog box showing you where do you want to save this video. So I'll select desktop. Actually, let me go for documents for the purposes of this video. Select documents and then select that folder. So here it will show you that our video is going to be saved in a C partition / users / Endurance Agency, that is the name of the computer, / documents. So we are good to go. Then you press convert. Within seconds it would have converted our video from MOV to MP4 HD H.264 720p. So some little explaining here as it converts. Yes, now our document our video is already converted. It is in MP4. You can even see here it says the name of the video to .mp4. If we can go back to where our original file is, to the desktop, you will see that it has an extension of MOV file. If you can read this, when you press your when you point your cursor to the file, you will see shows you that it is an MOV file. So now let's go back to documents. This is a file we've just converted, so we can even test it out. We double click and then it will play as an MP4 file format. So here is our video. You can pause it. Some little explaining here. An MOV file is like an image file that is a PNG. They are similar, only that the difference is MOV is for video and PNG is for image. A PNG image is that has no background, so it is transparent. Similarly, an MOV file type on videos is that video that has no background. So what does it mean? You'll ask me, I'm seeing a black background and you're saying it has no background. Remember we've converted it to an MP4. So with default, when you convert an MOV file to a MP4 file format, it comes with a black background. That is the default. So later on we shall have a video just to show you guys that we can import this video that we've converted to a MP4 into our Premiere Pro editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro, and then we remove this background and we put another background to our liking. So that said, that was a simple video on how you can convert your MOV file type to a MP4. If you have any question, please comment down below, but most importantly, please subscribe. It helps our channel to grow. Thank you. Thanks for watching.